Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 220 North Dellwood. I guess they're going to be selling the place and they wanted to inspect this line. When I got here, this clean out here under the porch had a bunch of dirt in there, but I ended up poking it out, and I ended up cabling out with a big cutter and running a bunch of water and flushed all that stuff out. I ended up getting some roots out of the line. So we got it open, we got all that dirt out of there. We're going to go ahead and inspect this. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera running in the house here. I'm here near the stack.
Okay.
And we're at 35 feet here. We're in the 4-inch cast iron. We'll pull it back and show you guys what this looks like. Got the line tying in there at the top. And got another, looks like another line cutting in the side there. Something. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes from 4-inch cast. It's a 6-inch clay pipe out here in the back of the house.
Right here, I know what you're talking about. I just didn't want to get mud all over me.
Alright, so here we are in the 6-inch clay pipe. We got a turn here. It's turning and coming out the back of the house.
Coming right out here now.
So here we are at the riser pipe. It's a T. I'm going to go ahead and run it out to the main. We'll be right back.
Good to hear that. $4,500 for the new year.
Alright, so here we are. We got the camera pushed out. We're here at MSD's line at 85 feet, almost 86 feet. We're going to go ahead and pull it back and show you what it looks like. So here we got a dive in the line. It's diving down to make depth for MSD. Diving down and sweeping out to MSD's line. See, it looks pretty straight. Small offset, but nothing bad. So, got a little mud at the bottom of the line here. This is from me when I opened up this strap was full of dirt and debris, and I did flush it all out. That's what that's from, so that should go away over time. If you run enough water, that will wash out of there. Nothing bad or anything, it's just some debris. And we got a turn here and a trap. Riser pipe here. So everything looks good. Nothing broken. I did clean some roots out of there, but they're all cut out and everything's good, so it shouldn't be any problems. Alrighty, thank you.